When you create a document in Photoshop, instead of beginning with a blank canvas, you can choose from a wide variety of templates from Adobe stock. Templates include assets and illustration that you can build on to complete your project. When you open a template in Photoshop, you can work with it just as you would work with any other Photoshop document. In addition to templates, you can also create a document by selecting one of the numerous present available in Photoshop or create your custom sizes. You can also save your own preset for reuse. Provide inspiration reusable element for your document. You can download templates from Adobe stock that include quality graphic and illustration right within Photoshop. You can build on these templates to easily create documents that share common settings and design elements. Templates open as PSD file in Photoshop and generally include multiple artboards, are blank documents with predefined dimension and settings. Preset make design for a specific device form factor or use cases easier. For example, you can use a preset to quickly start design for the iPad Pro. Blank document presets have predefined size, color, mode, unit, orientation, position, and resolution settings. You can modify these settings before creating document using the preset. Templates and presets are categorized into the sets: photo, print, art and illustration, web, mobile, and film and video. How to access the new document dialog? Launch Photoshop. Do one of the following. Use the following keyboard shortcut. Select File and New. Click New or Start New in the Start Workspace. Right-click the tab for on Open Document and choose New Document from the In Context menu. The New Document window lets you create document using select templates from Adobe stock across several categories: photo, print, art and illustration, web, mobile, and film and video. Find more templates and create document using them. Quickly access file, templates, and items that you have recently accessed. Save your own custom preset for reuse and quick access them later. Create document using blank document preset from multiple categories and device form factor. Before opening the presets, you can modify their settings. Create documents using presets. In the new document dialog box, click Category tab, Photo, Print, Art and Illustration, Web, Mobile, and Film and Video. Select a preset. Optionally, change the settings from the Select preset in the Preset Details panel on the right. Click Create. Photoshop open a new document based on the preset. Before opening a document using the preset, you can modify its settings in the right panel. Specify a file name for the new document, width and height. Specify the size of the document. Select the unit from the pop-up menu. Orientation. Specify your page orientation from the document, landscape or portrait. Artboard. Select this option if you want your document to have artboard. Photoshop adds an artboard while creating the document. Color mode. Specify a color mode for the document. Changing the color mode, convert the default comment of the selective new document profile to a new color. Resolution. Specify the thinness of detail in a bitmap image measured in pixel int or pixel centimeter. Background contents. Specify your background color for the document. To specify the following extra options, click Advanced option. Color profile. Specify the color profile for your document from a wide range of options. Pixel aspect ratio. Specify the ratio of width or height or a single pixel in a frame. Click Create to open a document with the preset settings. OK. Now save your own presets. The preset details panel lets you modify your existing preset or specify fresh settings for a new one. To save your custom setting as a new preset, follow the steps. After you are done specifying the setting, click this icon in the preset details panel. Specify a name for the new preset. Click Save Preset. You can later access the new preset from the Save tab of the New Document dialog.